Just wanna know, is love completely off the table? I just wanna know, is love off the table? Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Off the Table, Ariana Grande featuring The Weeknd. For this song, we're not going to be using the capo, it's just your guitar in standard tuning, and we're using basic chords. So the first chord that we're going to use is an F major, right? Right, so if you're not familiar with this chord, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration on the chord, so you can learn them there and then come back to this video for your progressions. So from F we go to E minor. So we're playing F twice and then E minor. That's the first time, right? And then you go again. And then we go 5, 3, 5, 3. So the first 5 3 is on string number 5, the second one is on string number 6. Like. And that is pretty much the whole song, guys. The Weeknd's verse, Ariana's verse, the chorus, it's just the same thing. So yeah, there you go. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.